How to fix if your Outlook app need to update before it starts. So when you open the Outlook app, it is stuck. It shows pop up that you need to update before you start. So what is the solution of this? So let's start with the video, guys. Before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So what we need to do, just Outlook is a product of Microsoft, so you can open any product of Microsoft like Word. Just open the Word or Excel. So let it open Word here. It is opening. Meantime, you can subscribe me. Okay, it's open now. So what you need to do, just go to the option here. Under the option, okay, don't go to the file again, go to the accounts, and under the account you can see this is Microsoft Office. Just click on and just click on update now. Okay, so once it's update, you can restart your computer, or you can just directly open your Outlook. So it will be work. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.